Và sau đây bọn sắc xa nó sợ tầng ngọc khía ngày ní dương một sắc xa ông pi atabotមួយទៀតដែលមានចំណងជើងថា my study room បាទ my study room បាទអញ្ចឹងយើងទៅអាននៅអត្ថបទទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទ my study room is very simple there is a long desk place against the wall I have a wooden chair with a cushion to sit on. On my desk is a study lamp. My desk has a drawer that I can slide out or in to keep my pencil. On the wall above my desk is a chart. I am a great fan of Manchester United. I put their photo there. In one corner of the room. There is a small carpet and a cushion. I like to sit there and read a book. My study room has a ceiling fan. The walls are painted in light purple. A picture of Mickey Mouse reading a book is on the door. I like my simple and clean study room. I like the quiet atmosphere as it is very conducive for studying. I am spare of all distraction when I am in my own study room បាទតោះយើងទៅបកប្រែទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺជាអត្ថបទដែលខ្ញុំធ្វើការបកប្រែឲ្យបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទអញ្ចឹងអានភាសាទៀតហើយបងប្អូនមើលនៅការបកប្រែរបស់ខ្ញុំបាទ My study room is very simple. There is a long desk placed against the wall. I have a wooden chair with a cushion to sit on. On my desk is a study lamp. My desk has a drawer that I can slide out or in to keep my pencil. On the wall above my desk is a chart. I am a great fan of Manchester United. I put their photo there. In one corner of the room, there is a small carpet and a cushion. I like to sit there and read a book. My study room has a ceiling fan. The walls are painted in light purple. A picture of Mickey Mouse reading a book is on the door. I like my simple and clean study room. I like the quiet atmosphere as it is very conducive for studying. I am spare of all distraction when I am in my own study room បាទឥឡូវយើងមកដល់វីដេអូបញ្ចប់របស់យើងបាទ យើងខុសឆ្គងយ៉ាងណានោះក៏សូមខន្តីនឹងអភ័យទោសពីសំណាក់បងប្អូនសិស្សានុសិស្សទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទចឹងសូមអរគុណនិងសូមគោរពលា